Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's been on our minds lately: smart workers. You see, being a smart worker doesn't just mean being skilled or knowledgeable. It's about being adaptable, resourceful, and proactive. It's about being able to think on your feet and find solutions to problems. Even when they're not in your job description, smart workers are always learning, always growing, and always looking for ways to improve themselves and their work. They're not afraid to ask questions, and they're not afraid to take on new challenges. So, let's all strive to be smart workers. Let's be the ones who make a difference, who find solutions, and who always bring their A game to work. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep being smart workers.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive, and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah.